What does indirect equals true slash false in pytest.mark.parametrize do slash mean? I just want to understand what does it mean or what happens if I set indirect parameter to true or false in the pytest.mark.parametrize? Thanks.
With indirect equals true you can parametrize your fixture, false, default value. Example. So this example generates two tests. First one gets from fixture underscore name value foo, because this fixture for this test runs with parameterization. Second test gets bar value. And each tests will fail, because of assert checking for baz.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.